for number 2, let u 1, 3, 5, and b 2, 1, 5, 12, a, w is 3, negative 2, and 6. Find letter A, 5u minus 3b, and for letter B, 2u plus 4b minus w, and for letter C, u times b and u times w, and for v times w, and as well as the square root of u and the square root of b and square root of w. So first, let's get the letter A, 5u minus 3b. So ako siyang gibutangan of 5 na I'll get the value of letter u, then I just multiplied it. 5 times 1 equals to 5, and 5 times 3 equals to 15, and 5 times 4 equals to 20. Well, here, negative 3 times 2, negative 3 times 3 is equals to negative 6, and negative 3 times 1 is equals to negative 3, and negative 3 times 5 is equals to negative 3. So, para natin na siya i-add para makuha natin yung answer. So, 5 plus negative 6 is negative 1. Kaya dili na sila para ka ng sign, so therefore siya subtract. And 15 minus 3 is equals to 12. 12 and 20 minus 15 is equals to 20 plus negative 15 is equals to positive 5. Anyway, the letter here is 1, 3, negative 4. So, negative 20 is the ano. That's because 5 times 4, negative 4 is equals to negative 20. So, therefore, the answer is negative 35. And that's it for letter A. And let's proceed to letter B. And let's proceed to letter B. 2u plus 4b minus 6w. So, therefore, ako lang siyang multiply the value of u multiplied by 2, so it becomes 2, 6, and negative 8. Well, here 4 multiplied 2, the value of letter B 2, 1, 5, so therefore 8, 4 times 5 equals to 20, and 18, negative 6 times 3 equals to negative 18. Negative 6 times negative 3 is equals to positive 12. And negative 6 times 6 is equals to negative 6. So, therefore, ito na siyang i-add para makuha natin yung answer. So, 2 plus 8 is equals to 10 minus 18. It's because, though addition siya, but yung sign is different. So, 10 and negative 18. So, therefore, negative 8. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10 plus 12 is equals to 22. And negative 8 plus 36 is equals to 44 minus 28, it becomes 24. And that's it for letter B. So, let's proceed to letter C. The u times b and u times w and b times w. I just have or get their value, the value itself, so multiply by the value of u times b. So therefore, 1 times 2 equals to 2, 1 times 3 is equals to 3, and 4 times 5 equals to 20. So that's it for u times b, and for u times w, it is b. 1 times 3 is equals to 3, and 3 times negative 2 is equals to negative 6, and 6 times 4 is equals to 24. And for v and w, it becomes 2 times 3 is equals to 6, and 1 times negative 2 is equals to negative 2. So 5 times 6 is equals to 30. And that's it for letter C. To letter D, the square root of u, v, and w. So let's have the u. So I just have or get the value of u, then put the square root of it, have a exponent to 2. So therefore, ato lang siyang what you call this, multiply by itself kay exponent na siya. So 1 times 1 is equals to 1 plus 3 times 3 is equals to 9 plus negative 4 4 times negative 4 is equals to positive 16. Kaya negative times negative is equals to 16. Negative times negative is, it becomes a positive. So, ito lang siya i-add. 16 plus, 9 plus 1 plus 9 equals to 10 plus 16 equals to 26. And letter B, and that's it for letter U. So, letter B. 2 raised power of 2 is equals to 4, and 1 raised power of 2 is equals to 1, and 5 raised the power of 5 is equals to 25. So, ito lang siyang i-add. 4 plus 5 equals to 10, 5 plus 25 equals to 30. And for letter W, square root of 3 raised to the power of 3 is equals to 9 plus negative 2 raised to the power of 3 is equals to positive 4 plus 6 raised to the power of 3 is equals to 36. And 9 plus 4 is 36 plus 4 equals to 40 plus 9 equals to 39. So we have a two method. Pwede na ito siya gamiton just like that kind of way nga na siya matrix. So matrix. So I'll put here 4. So it becomes square root of 1, 3, 4 raised to the power of 2. So therefore, the answer of this becomes a 1 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 1, and 3 raised to the power of 2, it becomes 9, and 4 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 16. And that's it for matrix formula. And while for letter B, it becomes square root of matrix 2, 1, 5 raised to the power of 2. So therefore the answer is 2 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 4, and 1 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 1, and 5 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 25. So therefore the answer is matrix of 4, 1, and 25. So for letter W, it becomes square root of matrix 3, negative 2, and 6. So, raised to the power of 2. So, ito na siya kung ay ang exponent itself, ay ang pagkuhan. 3 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 9, and negative 2 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 4, and 6 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 36. So, that's it for letter D, W, and number 2.